Words to use instead of very. Please don't forget to like the video. Very beautiful. Gorgeous. God made a gorgeous creation. Very boring. Dull. Some people find reading dull and uninteresting. Very lovely. Adorable. She got an adorable dog. Very noisy. Deafening. The sounds from the neighborhood is deafening. Very creative. Innovative. People thinks a lot of innovative ideas that will improve the society. Very excited. Thrilled. The boy is thrilled seeing his daddy for a very long time. Very glad. Overjoyed. The girl was overjoyed seeing her new toys given by her mother. Very clever. Intelligent. Intelligent boy loves to solve math problems. Very angry. Furious. King Nebuchadnezzar was furious when he heard this, and he ordered that all the wise men of Babylon be executed. Very afraid. Fearful. The man runs so fast because he is fearful of a dog chasing him. Very fast. Quick. The quick girl ran as fast as she could to win the race. What do you remember? Very beautiful. Gorgeous. Very boring. Dull. Very noisy. Deafening. Very creative. Innovative. Very excited. Thrilled. Very glad. Overjoyed. Very clever. Intelligent. Very angry. Furious. Very afraid. Fearful. Very fast. Quick. Very lovely. Adorable. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like the video.